What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson. Hey, it's my second video. Texit Coin just joined today, and I also went on Mike Healy's video. Mike Healy is offering a free um awesome automated sign up tracker for you and your business. So gives you a link, it gives you some beautiful videos, and I'm just going to show you exactly what you're going to see. So when you come in, you watch my video, say you're interested, and I have it down here on the screen, and then it's like join here. So once you click join here, it sends you straight to the system. Um, this is what you'll see. Earn passive daily income by owning a Texas coin miner. No hardware needed because it's all housed somewhere else. You don't have to worry about paying electric bills. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is join. Then you got the Path to 16. There's an awesome video that's put here by
Welcome to a deep
owner.
dive in one of the fastest growing crypto projects you probably
Break it
never heard
down
of,
on
Texit Coin or
how everything's going
TXC.
to look on our
In
path.
just about a year, this project has shown explosive growth. The token price nearly
And then you can see when this video was done, it was only $1. Man, I found out about it about right here and did nothing. So, hey, I'm trying to fix that. So at least now I got my miners and I'll be able to mine forever. 135 years per miner. So ever for me, you know. Yeah. And let's see, live in America, so sugar and everything, food kills you now and it don't help you. So yeah, 135, I don't think so. I'll be ready to go hang with Jesus way before that anyway. So then you also got the next video where it says mine and made easy. You come down
Hey, Mike
here.
Healy here. And if you're like the
This is
majority
Mike
of people
Healy.
taking a look at this, you're probably interested in a viable way to supplement your income. If it doesn't mean having to change careers, take on a second job, or become some.
All right, so that's a beautiful video. Then you come down here, then text it to 2000. So this is when he goes in, like tells you, okay, yeah, we said 16, but this is not where we're going to stop because we're using Litecoin and Doge to grow. He's going to break it down more into this. I'm not going to touch on it anymore because I'm just got in. I don't want to say the wrong info, but when he breaks it down in this video, you'll be like, what? Yo, just let you know. Could you retire in with 9K? I mean, you can see that this video. Yes, 9K is mean that you brought all nine miners, you get two free. And then if you promote the business as people join, you'll actually get more hash power. So you could have 50 hash, 5,000 hash would it be? That means you have 50. It's like you have 50 miners, you got nine miners, but you got 4,100 hash power that goes towards, so it look like you got 50 miners. All right. So Texas Coin window is closing, is letting you know that it's getting close. So that $16, when that the road to 16 is where they're saying by the time they get to the road to 16, we should have enough miners sold where the miners are not going to be sold anymore. So all of us now who are doers right now, we're locked in for life. Locked in for life. So the life of the business, the life of the coin, as it goes from wherever it's going to however it goes to, we're going to be earning. The lowest we'll earn per miner is 10% of whatever the dollar is. So if it's $1,000 when the coin gets to $1,000, which it's on the roadmap, and I'm like just not making this up. So when the coin gets to $1,000, each miner or each 100 hash that you have will make you $100. So if you got 50 hash, you're making $5,000 a day. This is a day. So people, I'm just trying to tell you, this is crazy. That's just at 1,000. So if it's 500, then you're making 50. So 50, say you got 10 miners, that's $500 a day. Let's just go low. 50, 500 a day. So you add that up on what that is a month. Yeah, when you get to 15,000, let me know. Go ding 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 ding. All right. So you got that one. Then you got the Texas coin window is closing. That's what I was just talking about. Then you got Texas Bitcoin time. Just awesome interviews between these guys, just going over everything that is in this company. Got testimonies of people, where they came from, where they're at now. How many, like some of these guys knew about this when it was 8 cent, 11 cent, 12 cent, and they just build businesses like these guys may be at the top of the top of the top, and you don't even know who they are because they started. Like the guy that I heard that's over a lot of people is a retired police officer who knew about this before everybody else started telling people, and now he has some of the biggest names in the business. Phil, what's his name? Phil, the guy that sells the businesses. They're the funding for the businesses, and also he does buzz business funding, and he does advertising for business. Millionaire guy already just jumped in on the runners team. So it's people coming from everywhere. Names that you already know. You'll know who I'm talking about. He always talks about him and the shark for Shark Tank. All right, Texit Coin affiliate program. So it goes over how you can get paid in this, and he does an excellent job when he's breaking down the affiliate program. So I'm gonna come back and do a video on this just by itself, so you can see it. I just wanted to show you what you get, and then when you get all the way to the bottom, you'll click on buy a Texit mining node, and hopefully my uplines. Um, it's telling me to log in again because my session expired. Yeah, when you get in, you'll see TNT Gibson, Terrence and Tanya Gibson. So you'll see our name right here, TNT Gibson. That lets you know that you're signing under the right link. And you don't have to worry about nothing like this. You get this later on. You just put your code in here. You put your payment ID, which is method is going to be crypto. Crypto here. Um, make you an ID that's more than 5 characters, something simple. So people know it's you, so you can refer back to it. And when you come down here for the package, get whatever package you're going to get. If you're going to use Coinbase, you got to watch my video before this. If you haven't used Coinbase this year and you ain't been messing with Coinbase, they may hold your money. I haven't added money to Coinbase since last year, and when I went to go add money this year, they held my money, so I couldn't buy the 9 pack right off the back. I only can get 4. Yeah, so it is what it is. I got till the 23rd. They're gonna let it go. I would buy it now, but I don't want to mess with my coins, because I might sell them and then they shoot. Because right now, today is the FOMO day of the United States, so we don't know where things are going, what the dollar's going to be worth, where crypto's going to go, but it's going somewhere. So you just come through here, pick what you're going to get, and then once you click it and pick it, it's going to start you off in a process of um, being ready to pay for it. So you got to make sure you have the right email address in there and all that stuff. And once you put your name, address, email address, phone number, you know what I'm saying? Because you only can do this one time with the email address. So don't do none of this until you already got your money ready to pay. So don't do it like I did. I filled this out and was ready at the end, and then click submit after the money hit Coinbase, and then as soon as I went to go pay, I couldn't pay because they locked it. So um just make sure you know your money's in there and what you can spend. Then come back and pick your package. And after you pick your package, then go ahead and go down and click submit, and the submit's going to take you. I can't even click submit because I have to add a email address just to play with it. So that's what you do on that one, and then I show you on my video, my first video on my whole process of signing up. So you'll see that there too. All right, and this is the packages to show. It just shows 3 packages, but obviously, like I just showed you, you have all these packages. So if you can get 449 and get 5, you get 1 free. So you'll end up with 6. If for 9K, you'll get 2. So you'll have 11. And then once you get people in, and you'll grow more. So I'm trying to tell you, this is going to be crazy. All right. All right. That's pretty much it. That's all I want to do with this video. Just wanted to show you this link. So when you click on the link at the bottom of the video, which would also be in this video. So you click on the link and then you get started. And I'm just showing you how to go through. It's an easy process, but make sure, like I said, before you click submit on this phone, your money is already in Coinbase. You already know what you want to spend. You're using USDC, um, USDC, USDT, you got USDT, USDC. And the main two mostly everyone is using. And once you start building Texit Coin, you actually can buy them with the Texas Coin that's already in your business. So if you only gonna buy a 1 pack and 100 people and they're gonna join, then there's no sense of you buying a 9 pack because you're going to gain so many more that you'll have more than a 9 pack. But it's up to you what you do on that one. You know what I'm saying? I just want you to build your business. As long as you grow, we all grow. We get in here until we get one of these million miners before they're gone. We're all good. All right. All right, beautiful people. That's it. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. Let's grow. Let's blow this thing out the water. God bless.